Hello viewers, what I have for you today is M37F by Double Eagle, a Scorpion vz.61 clone. Unlike Steyr TMP by the same company, this actually have a safety, and it's 2 times the price of the Steyr or M30. Here you have it on safe. When you have it on 0, you can't push the trigger. On a real Scorpion you have also a detent to lock your fire selector in semi-auto. You push it to the back, but here it can't be. But when you push it to the front, you have it on fire. On real vz.68 this is fully automatic mode. You have your magazine release here, like on real Scorpion. Magazines are slightly hard to insert. You need to pull them hard in. It holds 13 rounds. Follower will catch on the bottom. You pull BBs here, and then this button. When you push the magazine in, it will push this button and release the follower. Charging handle is removable. It came in the box with charging handle removed, and you need to screw it in place. Now the sides. You have a simple front post, and unlike original Scorpion, the rear side isn't two position side. You can't flip it to the long range position. It's a simple notch, but you have sides. Then stock. You bump it. Unlike original, the stock will not catch in extended position, so it can be annoying. I did have in my hands another Scorpions from different manufacturers, but this seems to be the only one that will not hold the stock in extended position. Normally you need to squeeze the wires to fold it. You don't have a charging handle on the other side. Pretty expectable and simple barrel. There is nothing more to say about it. Again, the magazines need to be forced in. But overall, not a bad gun for the price. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.